Hi, voiceover Sarah here. I didn't originally plan on making this a specific video, but there is one thing I really wanted to share with you, and that is my favorite hack for learning to ollie over something or hippie jump body varial over something. And no need for suspense, it's cones. Cones have been the ultimate hack for me learning these skills. When you want to learn how to ollie over something or hippie jump over something, obviously the big fear is that you could get your feet or your deck caught on the obstacle, and that might result in a pretty gnarly slam. So the fear factor becomes a huge obstacle to learning how to ollie over something or hippie jump over something. But I have found that cones, due to the fact that they can be malleable and they're very easily moved, are really, in my opinion, the safest option. If you hit the cones, you might just plow through them. If your board does get caught on it, it's not as sudden of a jolt. The cones will move a little bit too. And of course, if you got your feet caught in them, you could just kick them. And for the most part, you'll probably be okay. And that's not something that I could say for ollieing over or jumping over something like a flat rail, which in my opinion is a million times scarier because you can get your feet caught over them. In fact, I really struggled to learn how to hippie jump until I had these cones, and now I was able to get this hippie jump in a handful of tries, and I even got the body varial in a handful of tries. I would credit that in part to being very comfortable on my skateboard, having practiced these both a couple times, although the body varial, this is only the second time I've landed it, and then also just the fact that the cones are a lot less intimidating. But the important thing is that if you want to learn to ollie over something, hippie jump over something, or body varial over something, I highly recommend either looking for some cones at your local skate park or skate spot, and if you don't have any, you can probably pick some up. I would say that they're worth the investment because you'll get both an extra boost of confidence, and messing up the trick on the cones will probably result in a much lesser injury than if you, say, get caught in a flat rail or something else. Cones are also great because they're super portable. If you do invest in a pair, you can bring them pretty much anywhere you want to. You can bring them to the skate park to use, or in your driveway, a random parking lot, just about anywhere. Anywhere you go, they go. And yeah, that's it. I hope everyone's doing well, and enjoy the rest of the video.